GameStrat's a software application that coaches can use to help improve their overall team and player performance, ultimately helping them win more games.
So what nouveaux does is it enables e-commerce managers to find critical e-commerce errors.
So it's essentially a mobile travel app where we basically connect avid travelers locally based on their interests. And we've paired that with a collection of cool travel activities, tours, and experiences that you can book through the app.
So in terms of building a successful startup, what I tell budding entrepreneurs is to really think about who are your customers.
Young entrepreneurs usually don't have the tools or the skills to assess their ideas and validate their business.
So I think one of the big advantages of having MakerLaunch in Ottawa is a little known secret is Ottawa helped build the internet. So the network of mentors and people who've built companies and technology in Ottawa is one of a kind.
We have received $1.5 million in donor funding for MakerLaunch.
Entrepreneurs create employment. They, in general, create wealth. And along the way, their passion and their drive is contagious.
I think it'd be super inspiring for people who have great ideas to actually see people succeed with those and have customers and users. So I can't wait for the MakerLaunch graduates to have such a big impact in Ottawa.
You're going to need a multidisciplinary group in order to make that a successful business. So look outside your comfort zone and look around you for other team members.
So we're looking to get as much support through mentorship and
The funding, that's going to help a ton.
From the MakerLaunch program, as well as growing the company to the next big step.